Hello students, welcome to your biology class. We are discussing about male reproductive system, and today in this video we will discuss about some accessory glands which are present in the males and play a very important role in reproduction process. Let's see the first gland, that is seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles. These are the glands which joins the vas deferens. We already studied about the function structure of these glands or location of these glands. हमने मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का डायग्राम जब डिस्कस किया था वहां देखा था कि टेस्टिस से जब वास डिफरेंस निकल के जा रही है एंड इट इज कैरिंग द स्पर्म, देन इट जॉइंस विद द duct of seminal vesicles. So when vas deferens joins the duct of seminal vesicles, we call it ejaculatory duct. So it's forming ejaculatory ducts by joining with vas deferens. These seminal vesicles are one pair glands. These are the long elongated one pair glands which are present in the pelvis region between bladder and rectum. So ये इसकी लोकेशन हो गई है कि प्रेजेंट कहाँ पे होती है. These are present between bladder and rectum in the pelvis region. So they are long elongated. Elongated means the size of these glands are almost 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters size हो गया इसका. These are muscular and circulated glands. Muscular and circulated gland. And location is already told you that present between the bladder and rectum in the pelvis region. If we talk about the functions of these seminal vesicles, इनके अगर हम functions की बात करते हैं, these glands secrete prostaglandins. ये gland secrete करती है prostaglandins, and these prostaglandins have very important role. एक prostaglandins का important role है, it activates the spermatozoa. It activates spermatozoa. And second, it helps in the controlling of vaginal contraction. So it's responsible for vaginal contraction also. Vaginal contraction की यहाँ पे क्यों जरूरत पड़ी है ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि when the sperms are released inside the female reproductive tract, then from vagina they need to be moved towards the fallopian tube. वेजाइना से स्पर्म्स को मूव होते हुए फेलोपियन ट्यूब तक जाना होता है जहां पे फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस है. उसके लिए वेजाइना की वॉल की जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है, दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मूवमेंट हेल्प्स इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ स्पर्म्स. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो prostaglandins helps in the vaginal contraction. Besides these prostaglandins, seminal vesicles also secrete fructose. Fructose is also secreted by seminal vesicles, and it also secretes proteins and lipids. Proteins and lipids are also secreted by seminal vesicles, and citrate. Citrate is also secreted. Here the fructose is work as an energy source for the sperms. यहाँ पे energy देने का काम करता है fructose, so that sperm can be easily move forward. So this is about the seminal vesicles. These seminal vesicles and their secretion, the secretion of these seminal vesicles form 60 to 70% part of semen. They form 60 to 70% part of semen. That is very important thing, that how much part of the semen is formed by the seminal vesicles. They form 60 to 70% of semen. What is semen? Semen क्या है इसके बारे में एक बार हम अभी बाद में बात करते हैं. So just keep remember that seminal vesicles are forming 60 to 70% part of semen. Second important gland of male reproductive tract is prostate gland. Prostate gland. This is the one long large size gland. एक ही होती है, large size gland होती है. The shape of this gland is chestnut or donut shaped. The shape is very. इसके भी हमने देखा था डायग्राम के अंदर that when urinary bladder joins with the urethra, at that location the prostate gland is present, and it's a large chestnut or donut shaped gland, and this prostate gland is spongy. अगर हम इसकी नेचर की बात करते हैं, it's spongy and it's tubulo-alveolar gland. It's tubulo-alveolar gland, and this gland also secretes some proteins and some amount of citric acid also. But the important function of prostate gland, which we need to be discussed here, the important function of prostate gland is that it helps functions of prostate gland. First, it helps in the that is the same function like the seminal vesicles. The first function is it activates sperms. activates sperms, and second function is it provides nutrition to the sperms. It provides nutrition. Provide nutrition to sperms. Besides these, they have one more important function is that the secretion of these prostate glands also responsible to maintain the acidity. They maintain or neutralize. We can say they neutralize the acidity of urine and maintain the vaginal pH also. So this is also important function that they neutralize the acidity of urine, and second is they maintain vaginal pH. तो ये दो जो फंक्शन है ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड का. वेजाइना के अंदर जब स्पर्म्स को रिलीज किया जाता है वहां पे वेजाइना की पीएच को मेंटेन करके रखने का काम करेगा द सिक्रेशन ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड्स. द सिक्रेशन ऑफ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड्स आल्सो play a very important role in the semen formation. They form 20%. They form 20% part of the semen. So we can say 20% part of the semen is formed by these prostate gland. This prostate gland forms the 20% part of semen. Third important gland of the male are Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland. These are small pea seed size glands. इनका size बहुत छोटा होता है. The another name is bulbourethral gland. The another name which we can use for these glands is bulbourethral gland, and size is pea seed size. बहुत छोटे size की हैं, and they are also one pair gland which is present at both ends of the penis. Penis के दोनों side present होती है. The function of these glands are they secrete mucus. They secrete mucus. And this mucus help in the lubrication of penis. इनका function क्या है? This help in the lubrication. ये penis का lubrication करती हैं. They help in the lubrication of penis during the process of copulation, so that easy movement penis can be done. So this is about the three glands which are present in the male reproductive tract. First, seminal vesicles. Second is the prostate gland, and third gland is the Cowper's or bulbourethral gland. So here we discussed all the functions and about all these things of these glands, these three accessory glands of male reproductive tract. Now let's see what is semen. Semen क्या होता है? The secretion of these glands, like the secretion of seminal vesicles and prostates. The secretion of seminal vesicles and prostate glands combinedly known as seminal plasma is known as seminal plasma. This seminal plasma with sperm which are released by the testis, जो testis से release होके आ रहे हैं, उन sperms के साथ इन secretion को combinedly we call it semen. Semen क्या है? Semen is the combination of the secretion of these glands with sperms. Here the sperms is the male gametes which help in the fertilization and then reproduction process, and seminal plasmas are the secretion of these glands which contain some important components like fructose, proteins, lipids, etc. They provide energy and they help in the movement of sperms. Combinedly, they are known as semen. Here, the sperms form only 10%. They form only 10% part of this semen. The rest all is formed by these seminal vesicles. Here, seminal vesicles form 60 to 70% part of the semen, and prostate glands forming 20% part of that semen. So that's all about these accessory glands and their functions in the male reproductive system. In the next video, we will discuss about the female reproductive system. So keep watching, keep studying, and keep learning. Thank you.